What's up everybody, Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I got a 2008 Ford F150. If you've got one of these trucks and your windows don't work, your radio don't work, and your instrument cluster doesn't work, let me show you a common problem. All right, so look right here, you can see the fuel gauge doesn't work, the battery doesn't work, the tach doesn't work, nothing over here works. Go to the windows, nothing there works. Go to the radio, and we have nothing there that works. So the one thing that all those things have in common, they're powered by the accessory delay relay. And believe it or not, that relay gets its ground from the instrument cluster. Light blue wire, pin number 5. That's right here. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you something right quick. I'm going to disconnect the connector. Try and do it one-handed. You hold it like this. The left side starts at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's your connector. I've got a ground wire hooked right here for a ground, and I've got a probe right here. We're going to lightly, gingerly front probe that. I'm not going to spread it open or do anything like that because this is almost a perfect fit anyway. But watch what happens when I front probe this. Count up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to lightly touch it right here. So my ground where I had my ground at was making a bad connection. I said, no, I ain't damn crazy. I just freaking had it working. But if you look right here, window goes up, window goes down. I'm going to take the back probe out. Nothing, we're dead. So testing it like that, you can see that that ground wire coming from that instrument cluster is toast. That's why the relay's not working. I'm going to price out an instrument cluster to this guy, see if he wants to do it. If we end up fixing it, I'll show you the end result and how everything's working. Catch you in a bit. So if you got one of these Ford pickup trucks and your cluster goes out, the gauges stop working, windows don't work, radio don't work, 9 out of 10 times it's just going to be that cluster. And the easiest way to check it is how I showed you. It's pretty cut and dry. Skill level of this job is probably about a 2. That's only because you have to own some tools to do it. All right guys, that is it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.